Very good morning, students. We will continue with arithmetic progressions, next topic. So far we have discussed about general term of AP, that is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So based on this we can find out any of the term in a series. Let us suppose 3, 5, 7, 9 is a series. So how many terms are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. If I want 100th term, then I will go with this formula. So what A stands for first term and D stands for common difference. N means the number of term what we want. AN means the nth term or the last term. Okay. Today we will discuss sum of n terms of AP. So for example, in the series 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So how many terms are there in this series? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I am asking the sum of first 5 terms, that is S5. S5. If I am asking S5 value indicates that I need to add, in my AP series, I need to add all the first 5 terms. So first we need to mention that whether it is in AP or not. If he is in the question, if he is given clearly that it is in AP, then directly we can find out using S5 formula. Okay. So to get this answer, we have to do 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. So 2 plus 4, 6, 12, 8, 20 plus 10, 30. Okay, here 5 terms are there where you are adding, it's not a problem for us. But if suppose if he is asking to find out S100, we cannot add 100 terms in less minutes of time. So for that reason they have generalized one formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have sum of n terms of AP. So the formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. And n means number of terms. So remaining Sn means sum of n terms. Okay, let us take one question and let us solve this. How to do this as sum of n terms of AP. Question: find the sum of. So it is exercise question, exercise 5.3. So exercise 5.3, find the sum of 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, so on to 11 terms. So we are going to find the sum of 11 terms here. How to find? So first, given series, so since the question is already given that sum of the following AP series, so no need of checking whether the series is in AP or not. Already has given that it is an AP series means we should not check. Directly we need to find out what is the sum of 11 terms. So given series, what is the given series here? 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, so on. So what is the first term here? A is 1 by 15. What is common difference? A2 minus A1. So second term minus first term. 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. LCM of 12 comma 15. 12 comma 15 LCM will be 60. So 12 5s are 60, 1 5s are minus 15 4s are 60, 1 4s are. So whatever the number that we are multiplying down, the same number in the upside also. So it will become 5 by 60 minus 4 by 60. So denominators are same now, 60, 5 minus 4 is 1. So common difference is 1 by 60. Common difference is 1 by 60. Now we know that general term of, sum of n terms of EP. Sum of n terms of EP. What is the formula? Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is S11 is equals to 11 by 2 into a value. First term is 1 by 15 here. 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 into common difference is 1 by 60. So that is equals to 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 10 by 60. So let it be here, we should not let it be. So 15 and 60 LCM is 60 only. So let me write 60. 15 how many times 60? 4 times. So 2 4s are 8. 60 how many times 60? 1 time. So as it is you write 10. So that is 11 by 2 into 18 by 60. So we can cancel in 2 table, 2 19s, 2 30s. And 3 3s, 3 10s. So answer is 33 by 20. That is S11 value. Next, let us see the second bit here. Okay. Now you try to understand, it is a second bit question in same exercise 5.3, second bit question. Find the sum of the AP minus 5 plus minus 3 minus 11 plus so on up to minus 230. Now here in the question we don't know whether to find out what term. Why? Because if he is mentioning here terms, then we are very sure that I need to find out F230. But he didn't mention anything in the question. So to do this question, first of all we have to know how many terms are there in this. So to get that how many terms are there, first let us write the series. So given series, what is the given series here? Minus 5, minus 8, minus 11, so on minus 230. So first term is minus 5, common difference A2 minus A1. That is minus 8 minus of minus 5 is plus 5. So common difference is minus 3. So to get how many number of terms, make sure that in order to get that we have to use nth term of AP formula. That is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Why? Because here we know last term we can substitute, first term we know, common difference we know, we will get n value. Very important. So here an value is minus 230. Is equals to a value minus 5 plus n minus 1 into common difference is minus 3. So minus 230, first let us transpose the a term, plus 5 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 225 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 225 by minus 3 is equals to n minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled. 3 7s, 3 5s. So 75 is equals to n minus 1. 76 is equals to n. So how many terms are there in this series? 76 terms are there. So I need to find out which value now? S76. So to get that we know that sum of n terms of AP. We know that sum of n terms of AP. So what is the formula we know? Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So let us substitute S76 formula here. S76 is equals to n value 76 by 2 into a value is minus 5 plus 76 minus 1 into minus 3. So 2 ones, 2 3 6, 2 8. So 38 into minus 10 plus 75 into minus 3. 38 minus 10 minus 225. So 38 into minus 235. If you multiply this, you will get S76 formula answer. So this is the way of doing. So remember that only the difference is that here terms is not there. So first of all, we are finding how many terms are there. Again, we are applying the same formula. Okay. Next, let us do the third bit questions. Second subdivision and third bit, same exercise 5.3. Given A is 7, A13 is 35. Find D and S13. So this total bit is very important, third bit. So we have to work out each and every sum. Understand carefully. So what are the given terms here? A is 7, A13 is 35. So try to understand, whenever A13 is given like this, means A12 or A10, whatever the number it is given. So how to do means A plus 12D is equals to 35. A plus n minus 1 into D. So to make sure that A plus 12D, 13 minus 1 is 12. So A plus 12D. For example, if I say A76 is 84, so what you write here? A plus 75D. We have to reduce whatever the number that you have given, you have to reduce one and you have to write. A plus 75D is equals to 84. So remember this. Whatever the time it might be, you have to reduce one and you have to write in place of A. So this is the first equation. Substitute A value in equation 1. If I substitute A value in equation 1, what it will become? 7 plus 12D is equals to 35. 12D is equals to 35 minus 7. So 12D is 28. D is 28 by 12, which is 4 3s are 4 7s. So common difference is 7 by 3. D value we got it as common difference as 7 by 3. Next, what we need to find out? S13. S13 already we have the formula. Sn formula we can use. N by 2 that is equals to n value is how much here? 13. Why? Because 13 by 2. 2 into what is the first term here? 7. 13 minus 1 into common difference, how much we got? 7 by 3. So 13 by 2 into 14 plus 12 into 7 by 3. 3 ones, 3 fours. 14 plus 28. 13, 26, 273 is the answer. Okay. Next, let us see another question in the same bit. So here only we have learned two formulas, but we have to make sure that what formula to be used for whatever the question that he has given, what formula to be used. If we understand that, then total chapter will be very easy here. Let us do now fourth question. A3 is 15. Given A3 is 15, S10 is 125. Find D and A10. So A3 value given, S10 value is given, we need to find out D and A10. How to do here? See here. First given values we will write A3 is 15, S10 is 125. So we know A3 means already I have said, you know what, reduce one and write, that is A plus 2D is 15. Mark it as first equation. Sn formula is what? N by 2. N is 10. So 10 by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. That is 10 minus 1 is how much? Is equals to 125. Just I am substituting the value of N only because I don't know A and D. In Sn formula I am substituting. So 2 ones, 2 5s, it will become 5 into 2A plus 9D is equals to 125. So 2A plus 9D is equals to 125 divided by 5. So 2A plus 9D is equals to 25. Mark it as second equation. So we got here two equations. We have to do by elimination method. Solving of two equations by elimination method. It will come in our third chapter, pair of linear equations. Understand carefully here. Solve 1 and 2. So how to solve this 1 and 2 equation means, see, either we have to target A value to cancel or else D value to cancel. So if I want to cancel A value, whatever the value that is there for second equation, that I need to multiply for the first equation. Whatever the value that is there in the first equation, the same value I have to multiply for the second equation. Here what is the value that is there in the second equation? 2. So 2 value I need to multiply for the total, and what is there here in the first one? So that one value I have to multiply for the total. Then I will get A coefficients as same. How it is here? So first equation I have to multiply for 2. Then how this equation will change? 2 into A, 2A plus 2 into 2, 4D, 15 to 30. Means each and every number should be multiplied with the 2. So second equation as such, why? Because 1, there will be no change if you are multiplying with 1. So 2A plus 9D is equals to 25. So plus becomes minus, minus, and here also minus. These two gets cancelled. 4D minus 9D is minus 5D. Here plus 5. So common difference is 5 by minus 5. 5 gets cancelled. Common difference I got it as minus 1. So substitute D value in equation 1. I can substitute D value either in equation 1 or in equation 2, our choice. So I am substituting in equation 1. How it will become here? Equation 1, A value A value as such plus 2 into D value is minus 1 is equals to 15. So A minus 2 is equals to 15, A is equals to 17. So what is the first term I got here? A value as 17, common difference as 15. Now after getting A and D values, we can find anything. In total AP, we have to get what is A value, what is D value. If we know these two values, we can find either A10 or S10 value, any value. Now he is asking common difference. Common difference already we have found it. Next he is asking A10. A10 value is asking, so it can be written as A plus 9D. So that is equals to A value is how much here? 17 plus 9 into minus 1. So that is 17 minus 9, 8. A10 value is 8. So this is the way of solving the questions of third exercise.